Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. Today we will see how to do a page setup or print setup in Excel. As you can see, we have made uh, contents which going to print. But you can see we have made like we have typed it and made it where you can see around 6 pages. To know how many pages are there for print, just click here for this page break preview. Here you can see there are 6 pages for print, but we want to make it in 2 pages. Then how to do for 2 pages? Then see, make Control P. Here you can see 6 pages. Go for page setup. Here adjust is given. Just increase the size. Then it will again increase. Okay. For this there is a no shortcut. Just trial and error basis you can set the page. Then I will reduce the size. Before it was 35, I will make it 30. Say OK. Now 6 page as it is comes. Then again what I will do, I will go for page setup. Again the size I will decrease. Then it will come for 4. Okay. 2 pages have saved. Just check whether it is like how it is like this. Okay. Go back. Then go for back. Now you can see 4 pages, but you want to make it for 2 pages. Then what you have to do is just come here using cursor, drag this line to here. Now you will see 2 pages. To check it, print preview. Here there are 2 pages you can see. Okay, 1 and this is 2, but this entire page is idle. You can't make it big right now, so you have to make it big. So go for page setup. Here adjust to 13 was there, just increase, adjust to by experience make it 35. Then again it has gone back to 6 pages. Then what you have to do is make it 20, it will come for 4. Then make it 13 as it is. Okay, say okay. To make you understand, I am doing it slowly. Okay, then come back. Here we have given 4 pages. Then see, just increase this size. See where we can adjust the page setup. Here there are, this is the increase. Then what you have to do is just select the number of columns, and from here just reduce the size, width, make it smaller. Like this you can make it smaller, so it will come. Go for print, it has become very small. Okay, so again just check how you can increase the content size. Go for page setup again. Here increase the size content, but before this go for margin. That already said this is, I will make point 0.5 left also. For this click 0.5, make it, say okay. Now just go for page setup, increase the address to 25. You can see the page size is increasing. It is based on totally trial and error method. Again it is increased, but it is gone for 4 pages. You can see here. Then come back and adjust this page here, this line here. Come for print. Here I can see, can you increase the size again? Just increase to 30th. If you increase, it will go for 4 pages. Then it will become same only. Okay, now then what you have to do is just increase this size for adjustment purpose. Before you have made a column adjustment, now you can make some row adjustments to get it proper print or to get the things clear. Okay, wherever possible you have to do like this. It will come here, just check it has come for printing. But before printing